Combining the portability of a circular saw with the accuracy of a table saw, track saws are one of the most useful power tools a woodworker can have in their collection. The track provides a sturdy, straight guide for the saw blade, which is perfect for performing long, accurate cuts. This portability allows you to bring the saw to the workpiece instead of hauling large sheets to a fixed table saw, and is especially convenient for those that frequently work on remote job sites away from their workshop. There are many products available to choose, best track saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Best Heavy-Duty Track Saw. DeWalt DWS 52020K Heavy-Duty Track Saw. The DeWalt DWS 520K Heavy-Duty Track Saw is a suitable tool for professionals to take to any job site. The track saw system performs precise cutting jobs with a quality, split-free finish. It has an anti-kickback mechanism and a low-profile blade guard for user safety. The straight plunge mechanism allows for ergonomic comfort, and the vacuum port is 90% efficient in dust collection. It has a 12A 1300-watt motor, allowing the saw blade to cut through a thickness of 21/8 inches. The track allows for making quick cuts, no having to determine and offset. Additionally, with this, the track stays put well on its own, but if you add the clamps, then nothing is going to move. Where this saw goes above and beyond over a circular saw is doing angled cuts. The saw is great to use and has a nice plunge cut capability and depth setting controls. Number 4. Best Affordable Track Saw. Wen CT 1065 Plunge Cut Sidewinder Circular Track Saw. A quality tool doesn't have to come from a price point beyond your wallet. The Wen CT 1065 Plunge Cut Sidewinder Circular Track Saw has 3 blade settings for scoring cuts, plunge cuts, and blade changes. It's a perfect choice for ripping plywood and jobs that require long and precise cuts. It has a 45-degree bevel capacity and also stands alone as a plunge saw. It's a perfect tool for a variety of projects within a reasonable budget. "I love this track saw," wrote one customer who explained that they were left impressed with the build quality as well as the cut quality of the saw. When using the stock blade to cut plywood sheets, they reported getting clean and accurate cuts without issue. "I think it is performing like a higher-cost saw," they added. Number 3. Best Splinter-Free Track Saw. Makita SP6000J Plunge Circular Saw. For a saw that cuts lumber with a splinter-free finish, we recommend the Makita SP6000J Plunge Circular Saw. Combined with the proper track, this saw creates smooth, mirror-finish straight cuts. It also has electronic speed control, which allows the saw to maintain a steady speed that provides these precise cuts. The dust port connects to a vacuum to redirect excess material. The saw has a high bevel capacity and close-to-wall cutting capabilities. The accuracy is beyond belief. I cut edge banding off 5/4 white oak less than 1/16 thick, and the resultant pieces were perfectly consistent with no machine marks at all. Taking the saw to the workpiece instead of trying to manhandle those heavy panels onto the table saw makes so much more sense, especially when working solo. Number 2. Best Cordless Track Saw. Robio 18V1 Plus HP Brushless Track Saw. The Robio 18V1 Plus HP Brushless Track Saw boasts a battery that's capable of cutting 260 linear feet per single charge. It comes with 2 27.5-inch tracks, allowing for 55 inches of precision cutting. The saw has both a high bevel capacity and depth capacity, providing a wide variety of cuts. With a capacity of 4,300 RPM, the saw can make perfectly straight cuts quickly. The brushless HP motor has plenty of power and doesn't bog down. The track is extremely well made and heavy-duty. The joints in the track provide a lot of stability and don't shift after they are tightened at all. It's priced extremely well and is a well-made saw and incredibly well-made track. Number 1. Best Overall Track Saw. Bosch GKT 1325L Track Saw. A heavy-duty machine with an adjustable bevel, the Bosch GKT 1325L Track Saw is a great machine overall. It has a plunge mechanism which allows for precision with the depth of the cut. The single bevel pivot point allows the track to be positioned in the same way for both bevel and non-bevel cuts. It has overload protection to keep the motor from overheating. It also has a swiveling vacuum hose port for easy cleanup. The blade that comes with the saw makes very clean cuts, and the track is very easy to use, especially if you're trying to cut down large sheets by yourself. I have found myself using this track saw in lieu of my table saw numerous times now. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.